Another video is going to go deeper into actually painting on the surface. Right now, this is going to cover how to design a material. Not just any material, but a smart material. The difference between materials and smart materials have a lot more character. They use a lot more generators such as dirt and roughened edges and exposed edges, worn edges to make the model look awesome. And we'll learn how to do this on our own using regular materials and building up from there. Right now, let's pick a part of the object to focus in on. I turned off all my layers, and I'm going to turn back on just the hug top. Hug top. Going to layers right here. Each time you select an entity from the texture set list, it focuses the layers in on that particular texture. Go to Smart Materials, scrub on down till you find a smart material that you like. And there are fabrics if you want to search for a fabric. You could pick one of those. I'm going to go for some of the classic metals, such as this. And I'm going to click and drag that right above my empty layer 1. And there we go. We got a very not so flexible looking metal, dirty metal on top of hug layer 1. Don't think this person really wants a hug. Next, go down to another layer. Let's do hug bottom. And let's focus in on hug bottom by clicking on that texture set. I'm going to pick plastic glossy and just drag it above that layer as well. Now I can rotate the model. Errors like this we could take care of by redoing the normal maps. Let's just keep on going, and then we'll come back and make corrections throughout our pipeline. Let's go down to the hug boots. And those don't look like awesome boots, but maybe a plastic boot will look great there. So, selecting hug boots and dragging with the left mouse button and right above there. And some of the stuff that's hidden, the waist, which won't be that easy to see, but is a detail there. Maybe this glossy will go there for the waist. And we have 2 more to go. The hug face itself, let's find a material. Maybe this steel, runed steel. And then the last one is a zipper. Scrubbing through all the smart materials. I think chrome would be the zipper. I'll turn back on that layer and I'll drag chrome to there. Let me expand this palette. Some of the smart materials have other properties that can be changed, and we'll look into changing deeper later. Right now we could just rotate around our model. Much like Photoshop or other layer systems, you could turn on and off layers. You could delete a layer by selecting the layer and using the trash can. It was an empty layer. We really didn't need it. I'm going to go to the hug top right here. And something simple, just to show you that we can control this besides brush strokes. Something simple to do is just to click on the metal color. Yellow matches yellow. Under properties, you'll scrub on down, and there's yellow. So if we don't want this to be yellow anymore, we'll click on that, pick a different color. So take 2. Each layer has properties, and you can look at the different properties that we'll explore. And each layer can have subsets of generators such as masks that will help create textures. And then we'll create our own sublayers for painting onto this object in the future. Time to take this critter and export the textures for Unity and have a look at it in Unity. A little supplement about seeing the different properties. Clicking on the folder will expose the properties that make up this top layer. Think of it as bubbling up, where this texture set can contain multiple layers at a process, but each one of these can have sub-properties, such as the base color. Click on the folder to hide and show the properties that make up this layer. You could click on the layer's attribute, in this case, base color, to expose more information that you can change underneath there.